today we are staying in a deluxe king strip view room. Come on, let's take a look inside. This is one of the original rooms in the Aria and can be booked for around $200 a night at the weekend. It has a large king bed, separate seating area and a desk. There's a good sized TV and a minibar. Being a room facing the strip, the view is fab. It's facing the Park MGM, the Allegiant Stadium, and you can even see the airport runway. I like that you can enjoy this spectacular view at a press of a button. Closet space is excellent, with 2 single closets and plenty of drawer space as well. The bathroom has a his and hers sink and a separate toilet. The shower has a bench adjacent to the bathtub, and this is something that was popular in Vegas when the Aria was built in 2009. The room is a little tired, but you can see it's built to a high standard. In my opinion, for the price, there are more modern hotel options on the strip. I got the room comped through MGM Rewards, so I'm quite happy with it. But I don't think I would have been if I'd have paid the $200 a night, especially with the additional resort fee. But what I would say, the Aria is a Vegas classic and one of the best locations on the strip. Like and subscribe for more Vegas and Manchester content, and I'll see you in the next video.